What's up YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with a synthetic unit. Y'all, it's been a little minute, but let me tell y'all, this synthetic unit right here, she looks like a human hair wig. Okay, I'm working with Solana on today, y'all, and I'm just showing y'all everything that came with the wig as far as packaging goes. She came in a whole bunch of different colors on the website. I purchased her from ebonyline.com. I'll have the link down below, but I went with 1B, y'all, and I'm just showing y'all the construction and all that good stuff. I'm going to be customizing this wig and installing it and just slaying her. I definitely, like I said, see the hype about these Cloud 9 with lace wigs. Synthetic wigs ain't what they used to be, y'all, okay? They come in with bomb lace and they looking like human hair wigs. So y'all better get on it, okay? Because for $50, you can look like a baddie, period. I'm just parting the hair down the middle. I'm going to be putting my care wax stick on it, and I'm going to be hot combing it. This hair does take heat up to 400 degrees, so that is really good for customizing. You know, she ain't looking how we want her to look right now. So I'm just pinning the hair back so I can get ready to cut my ear tabs off, and we about to start installing this wig. It did come with the, you know, the long baby hairs already, and it also came pre-plucked, but I did do some customizing off camera that you guys didn't see. So yeah, y'all, I'm just treating this hair like I would any other like wig that I would install on myself, and I'm gonna be installing her with Got to Be Glue Freeze Blast Spray. Super easy and simple, y'all. This was a super easy and simple slay, and it was only $50 freaking, y'all. Alright, y'all, so after hot combing, I'm just combing the ends of the hair and working my way up. I couldn't find my wig brush at the time, so I used the wide side of my comb, and I'm just combing through this hair. When it came to shedding and tangling, y'all, this wig definitely did tangle and shed just a little bit, which is to be expected. This is a synthetic unit, y'all. It's not finna just not tangle. And the shedding was very minimum, which is really good. So for $50, y'all, I was not complaining at all. As long as you know how to maintain your synthetic unit and you just keep it combed throughout the day with like a wide tooth comb or a wig brush, you'll be good. I'm just doing a little bit more hot combing. I wanted this wig to lay how I wanted it to lay, so we was putting that hot comb to use. I was playing with the wig, like, do I want it in the side part? But I just end up leaving it in the middle part. And yes, y'all, I'm about to get ready to install this wig with the Got to Be Glue spray. So I'm taking it directly on that lace between like where the baby hairs are and where the hairline is, if that makes any sense. That is where I'm spraying to lay this unit down. So I'm just going to be spraying it. And y'all, a little tip when it comes to like Got to Be Glue spray, if your thing ever, like if your spray ever gets to spraying out weird, just clean it. It's probably clogged up. Like I learned that a long time ago. That glue can dry in that nozzle, and then it'll get to spraying weird. So just make sure you cleaning it, and yeah, it should be good. But I'm just blow drying that. I went between like the warm and cool setting on my blow dryer, and I did one half at a time. I'm just doing the other half now, and I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm just spraying a generous amount, and when I spray a lot like that, I do make sure I kind of brush it into the hair, because I don't want it to get like too crunchy, because y'all know how Got to Be Glue can get. So I'm just brushing that back with the edge brush, as y'all seen, and making sure I blow dry that until it is dry. So now I'm ready to cut this lace off, y'all. I'm just making little slits in the lace, and I'm going to be using a little razor to cut the lace off. I just pinned the baby hairs back for this because they were laying flat down as I wanted them to, but I didn't want to cut them off. So yes, I'm just cutting all that lace off. at this point, I kind of hot comb those little baby hairs like downward so they can, you know, lay. They already kind of were laying in that direction, but I just did it anyway. And now I'm cutting them shorter. Well, really, I'm starting off with them kind of long and then cutting them shorter, because once you cut, you can't go back. So now, y'all, I'm going in with my black Got To Be Glue gel to lay these baby hairs down. And I was just customizing them as I see fit, cutting as I seen fit. I just took my time with it, y'all, and did them to my liking. After the baby hairs are done, y'all, I'm just going in with a little bit more of my powder and just a little bit of Got To Be Glue spray. And I'm going to be putting on my scarf so I can melt that lace in. I did a little beat off camera. I took my hair out the ponytail and I just combed it out. And y'all, after that, I was basically done. I was just playing with the hair, doing some last minute touches, hot combing, making sure everything was laying flat, playing with the hair until I liked how it looked. Y'all, that other side was giving me like a little hard time. Like, I was really trying to get that other side to get flatter. But yeah, y'all, that is basically the finished look. Like, look at the volume, y'all. Look at the freaking volume. Like, people were literally like, where do you be getting your wigs from? Like, this is so cute. And the whole time, it's just Solana. Like, she was only $50. Like, make sure y'all check out Ebony line. This hair was not sent to me or sponsored at all. I bought this hair with my own coins. I just wanted to share it with y'all because I thought this was just a super cute unit and it looks like human hair. It's bomb. And I see the hype about these wood lace wigs. Y'all stay tuned for more videos. I do have more synthetic units coming. And yeah, y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Look at her. She's looking luscious. Like, all right, y'all, I'm finna head out. Your girl was just posing and feeling herself. I didn't want this video to be too short, so I'm just showing y'all the finishing look. But yeah, y'all, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see next, and I will see y'all in the next one.